One of the many services offered by Recwell is our Condom Concierge program, where students can request free condoms. To place your order, go to recwell.vcu.edu and click on Sexual Health. Then, click Order Condoms to get to the Condom Concierge informational website. Click Order Now to access the official order form. Enter your VCU email, name, and V number, and then select which products you want. We offer lube and a wide selection of condoms. More basic condoms include the Lifestyles Latex Condom, Trojan Magnum Condoms, One Classic Select Condoms, Lifestyles Latex Free Condoms, as well as internal condoms for vaginal use. We also offer a variety of studded, ribbed, ultra-lubed, and flavored condoms. Keep in mind that flavored condoms are not for internal use. They are for oral sex only. After selecting your desired products, specify how many of each item you need. There is a limit of 15 total items per individual order, but you can continue ordering from us throughout the year as often as once a week. Once you have completed the form, click Submit. When your order is filled and ready to be picked up, you will receive an email from us saying it's ready. To pick up your order, go to Cary Street Gym. Remember to bring your student ID card in order to enter the gym. After you've entered, walk down the hallway located next to the front desk on the right-hand side. Continue until you reach the courts. Turn right following the equipment checkout sign and walk to the equipment rental counter. Once there, all you need to do is tell the Recwell employee behind the counter your V number and they will give you your order. And that's it! If you have any questions about the ordering process or other sexual health resources on campus, you can call us or visit our website at recwell.vcu.edu.